In this video, we will learn how to build in Fortnite. In order to build in Fortnite, firstly, you will need to know the keybinds to all the building settings of the game. In order to check it out, all you need to do is press escape to go to the main menu. From here, click on the gear button to head to the settings tab. From here, you need to go to the keyboard control tab to find the keybinds. From the left hand side, choose buildings, which will take you directly to the buildings keybind section. In here, we can see that there are four major types of structures that we can build in game. All of them are wall, floor, stairs, and roof. So these are my keybinds for all these structures. Now we have seen it, we'll get back into the game. So in my queue, it is a wall. As you can see, I can build a wall-like structure. In my mouse button 4, there is a slope which I can use to get up to a higher place. In my mouse 5, there is the roof setting, which I can put it on the ground or above any structure. And in my Z button, there is a roof, which I can put like this. So using the keybinds and our controls, we can easily place buildings in Fortnite and make various structures. So this is how you can easily build in Fortnite and enjoy the game as you wish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.